Good morning, guys. So it is a chilly 38 degrees again in Vermont. So let's go get the chickens. I don't know if you guys can hear or not, but they are squawking up a storm. It's 5:30 in the morning. There's no reason why they should be making so much noise, but here we go.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a
Hear them? Oh, they hear me. It stopped. We gotta turn off the electric fence. It is so cold. Oh my goodness. How we can go from almost 80 to 30 in one night, but it was good sleeping weather. Sad. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Who's first? Cindy Lauper. We're gonna understand how to come out the door. Hi, Ozzy and Miss Elvis. Gronk. I'm surprised. Ozzy. Oh. See the little ones. Totally survived the night without getting eaten by the big ones like that. You were a little bit of a bully, Missy. Hey, be nice to them. They're gonna attack you someday. They'll be bigger than you. All right. Oh, she's definitely putting them in their place, but not huge squeaks. Oh, I think you saw the chipmunks, but the gate's closed. Smelled something good, and he wants breakfast. I just checked the temperature in the greenhouse. We have a thermometer inside, or a monitor that monitors a thermometer in the greenhouse, and it says 93. So it's only like 10:30 in the morning, and so we're gonna go open up the greenhouse and vent it so it doesn't get too warm and fry the babies. Oh, but it is gorgeous today. I think it's only supposed to be 70 something. But, yeah, gorgeous. You can't stand still too long, though, because the black flies will get you. I have a couple of welts. Like, I have a huge welt on the side of my head from a black fly. Bill just gets bit. Mine lasts for days and get to be the size of golf balls. But, oh well. They don't last all summer, just mostly the spring. It's warm in there. Put this in front of the door. Good enough. I can do this one-handed. right. Lots of green in there. Lots of green. Hi guys. The bugs are a little crazy today. So we're gonna plant up this pot. This was a planter that Bill and I got at a yard sale. They were, both of them I think were $5. And we just painted them and the hardware. Aren't they cute? They're so cute. So now we have all these plants to put in them. A lot of them are proven winners plants. So there's petunias, super bells. There's a couple of coleuses here that aren't proven winners. I tried to find them, I couldn't. But we're gonna go ahead and put these all together so you guys can see. So since these are wood, we are taking a chance that they're probably not gonna last a super long time. We tried to paint up all the cracks and stuff, but what we are going to do is we're gonna show you how we're gonna put this plastic inside it. There are drainage holes in the that we've drilled into the pots, and we'll make holes through the plastic so it's particularly over those holes, but we're gonna just protect it as much as possible so they last longer. So here we go. So what we've done is we've lined the pot with this plastic. We did it with staples in the top. So I'm going to be using plants that are going to overflow. So you're not going to see the plastic and stuff. And if you're worried, like you want to do this and you're worried about this rain getting through the staples and stuff, you could also like put a little bit of silicone or something there that will protect it even further. But basically, I just want to try to get these to last as long as possible.
I am going to do something that everybody in the comments is probably screaming for me to do. I'm just going to move it a little closer.
That's a good idea.
I'm just trying to avoid brushing up against the new paint.
Oh, gotcha.
Any idea? Down the part. Oh, I think it's off the wand, the hose.
Oh. I'm like, I have no idea.
Right. I'm pretty sure it's not a carburetor part from the lawnmower.
Right, let's hope. Yeah, it worked.
No, my second time through rebuilding it, I ended up with 0 extra parts.
Okay, good. So, honey, just leave like 3 inches from the top.
Yeah, what we're going to do is I'm going to get it close, and then I'm going to get it back onto your working platform, and then we can fine tune it, and which is pretty much where we are now.
Okay.
So, just making space.
Whew.
A little heavier than it was.
Yeah,
All
just
right,
a tad. Okay, perfect. All right, guys, so this is a coleus, and it's called Perilla Tricolor. And I'll put a copy of the thing on the screen. But isn't it gorgeous? It's just got maroons and there's greens and stuff in there too. So this is gonna be our thriller in this piece. It's gonna get nice, tall, bushy, and gorgeous. I saw some of those last year in people's gardens in pots. They're an annual. And when the sun was striking them, they were gorgeous. They like glowed. So what I'm gonna do is, the handles are on the sides. I'm gonna make them, yeah, we're gonna be able to see these from all around, but they are gonna be up against a wall. So we're gonna leave these on the side. So what I'm gonna do is, this thriller is gonna be set back a little ways. Oops. All right. I probably should have given these guys a drink of water before we started, but not today. Nice and firm. Make sure it's all part of the root ball is covered with dirt. All right. And then we have Proven Winners Super Tunia Bordeaux. I have 2 of these. And you can see the little flower there. They're just gorgeous. So we're going to put, but they get humongous. So we don't really need a lot of them. I have 2. So we're going to put those on either side. Whew. Buggies. I'm going to scratch the roots just a little bit. We don't need that. We're going to put this one on this side. Tamp it down. Make sure everything's covered. All right, now for the second one. I hear Baxter. All right, just scratching at the roots a little bit. They're not super root bound, but just a little. You guys, and we planted these in the pure compost that we got. Of course, you can use potting soil and stuff. You just want whatever's in your pots to be a little bit heavier, just so it retains some of the moisture more, because potted stuff will dry out pretty quickly. All right, and then the last one. So we got both the Super Tunia Bordeaux, and the last one is Super Tunia Mini Vista Indigo. Look how pretty that one is. So we're gonna plant this one in the front. Guys, a good dousing of water.
We're gonna douse them with water where they're gonna live, because they're heavy enough already.
It's heavy enough already.
Says the old man.
So Bill was right. I need a little bit more dirt. Just making sure that there is dirt all around that root ball. Good. So we did leave, and we'll fill it up a little bit more, but these will grow really quickly. We'll get them watered in. We'll fill up the soil a little bit more. I didn't want to have the soil all the way to the top because I didn't want any kind of overflow when it either rained or when we water it. Just make sure that we're controlling the water just a little bit more. And we will give you guys updates. And as soon as we have the other one done and planted up, we'll show you what it looks like where they're going to be located for the year.